After a hot summer break, get ready to break in some new additions at Douglas County Schools.
We have been very, very, very busy doing a whole bunch of different kinds of projects.
Some are more noticeable than others. All are making a difference for our kids. We don't often think about the roofs over our heads.
Some of them are like roof replacements. We did that on 6 different schools.
Some schools will notice changes underneath as well.
We did flooring on 6 different schools also.
New carpets, tiles, or gym floor refinishing.
We're fortunate enough to be getting all new flooring in all of our classrooms. We're also doing some different flooring in tech ed, in our locker rooms. Our school is going to be so much cleaner, so much nicer. It's just going to be a much better place because of everything that's happening in our school.
Do you remember those old bleachers?
Our bleachers are wooden. They're like 20 years old.
You better not have blisters or I'm never going to sit on them.
Rest assured, Nikki. Thunder Ridge, Highlands Ranch, and Chaparral all have new, safe stands to cheer on the home team. Speaking of the home team,
Family on 3, 1, 2, 3. Family!
the Legend Titans will be practicing on a new hue,
I think it's going to look really cool, make us look sharp.
that cool blue field.
Tell them what you think about our blue field.
More than style, the new turf will help prevent injuries.
It does provide a safe environment for them, and obviously, once again, I think a sense of school pride.
Some of these projects have been years in the making.
I first came on board here in fall of 2008, and we were talking about the FPOD then.
Middle classrooms, as many as we can get.
To do what we do so well at Castleview, but to be able to do it even better because we have the resources, we have that optimal environment where we can provide that education. That's a thrill.
This summer was just the beginning of the work.
We're hoping to make a whole bunch more changes.
Improvements will continue for 5 years thanks to the Douglas County community. And for that, we say,
Thank you, voters, for believing in us. We really do appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for all you've done for our students. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much.
thank you for helping us to learn today as we build for tomorrow.